Anybody know what this is? Almost looks like brick cancer. Not even kidding. Look at this. This was underneath the marlite in this basement on the wall. And there's some water lines for the washer, dryer, or for the washer and the slop sink. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna scrape these walls. It's right here. This can hurt you. This really can hurt you. Just so you know. Black mold. We pull this washer and dryer out of there. Okay, I moved the washer and dryer. As you can see, I still got the washer hooked up because there's no shut-off valves. You had to shut everything off over there. So we're gonna hook that up correctly. We got a couple little issues right here. I'm even seeing another issue. Yeah, right here. This right here is about to blow. Oh man, whole bunch of everything. Crazy. Yeah, we want to probably replace this too. Not even kidding. It's just horrible. Not good. Oh man. So if you have this hiding in your house somewhere, please get rid of it. You will notice that your nose will feel a little puffy, kind of like something's wrong and you don't know. Well, this is it. I'm gonna tell you right now. Please analyze your environment and make sure you don't have this creeping and hiding behind your walls. As we already made sure everything in here is 100%. I'll kick on the light and show you. Look at this. No, you kidding? We hooked this up. Yeah, it's dry as a bone. Whole basement. I figured, something's lurking in there. Something's lurking in there. And that was underneath the marlite. They had just purchased this house. They did not know. But since it was raining, we were getting some water treading down to the drain. I knew that it was bigger than expected. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Till next time, the pro you need to know. God bless.